Hey guys, it's Lance from Two Guys and a Mouse, and we are at Wilderness Lodge, Boulder Ridge, and today we are going to do a room tour of a deluxe studio. The room number is 1551, so why don't you come along with me and check it out. Okay, so on the left side, you've got a little kitchenette. You got a mini fridge. You got your sink and your microwave and a little toaster. Immediately on the other side is the vanity and sink. In here, you got a restroom. Let's turn the lights on a little bit. So anyway, you've got the, oh, hold on. Nope. Can't find the light for the restroom, but that's okay. So you got your restroom in here with the shower. On the other side, you have a closet, plenty of storage space, and there's your extra pillow and blanket. Moving along inside, this is what the room looks like. Now these rooms were renovated sometime between 22 and 23, so this is a newly remodeled room. You've got a queen size bed over here. This is a pull-down Murphy bed, and this is a pull-down single Murphy bed as well. So if we pull this down, we have that. And I'm not going to pull down this Murphy bed right now because we have this in the way. But this is the room. Yeah. All right, guys, so that was the room tour of the Wilderness Lodge Boulder Ridge room. It's a deluxe studio. If you guys like this content, please make sure you leave us a comment and let us know. Also, if you're new to the channel, please remember to hit that subscribe button and turn notifications on so that you know whenever we release new content. Also, if you like the video, please share it with your friends. It really does help out the channel. All right, guys, thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Take care, everybody.